Hello children, welcome to the English class. Today we will learn one grammar topic of English, that is question words, or you also call it W family. So students, today we will learn few words which are starting from WH. So that is why we are calling it W family. So students, here are few examples of such words like who, what, where, when, why, and many more. So these are the words which we use when we ask any question. And one more thing students, whenever we write any sentence of question, we end it with a question mark. There is one symbol, as you can see in the picture also. This is called question mark. Okay, so whenever we ask any question or write any question, in the end of it we write this symbol, that is question mark. Okay, so in today's class we will learn the words related to or the starting from WH. That is why we also call it W family. Okay students, so let's begin. Before explaining this to you, let me show you few more words. Like we use these words to ask WH questions like which, who, what, where, when, why, and how. So these all are the words which we use to ask any question. Here, how is also a question word, though it is not starting from W, but still we make use of it for asking any question. So students, first let me translate these words to you so that it will become easy to understand. First one is who. Who means कौन. Whom, किसको. What, क्या, कौन सा. Whose, किसका. Which, कौन सा. Where, कहाँ. When, कब. Why, क्यों. So students, now I will explain you each and every word one by one, like how we have to use this while asking any question. Okay, so the first word, as you can see in the picture also, is who. Who we use for any person. Okay, when we are asking about any person. As you read, who, the translation of who is कौन. Okay, for example, if we ask who is this girl, okay, so here we are using this word who. ये लड़की कौन है. So for person we use this word, okay, who. Next one is what. What means क्या, जैसे कि आपने अभी पढ़ा इसका ट्रांसलेशन क्या. And what we use for anything or an action. For example, what is this? Okay, if I ask what is this, so these are few plastic materials, or you can say anything. Okay, so when we are asking about anything or any action, we make use of what. Another example, for example, what is this boy doing? Okay, if I ask about he's doing one action, he's playing a ball, so I can ask what is this boy doing. So when we are asking about any action or about anything, we are using this word what. Clear? Now the next one is why. Why word we use when we are asking about any reason. For example, when you come late in the class, your teacher asks you, why are you late today? Okay, why? Why means क्यों. आप late क्यों हो आज? Okay, so why we use to ask about the reason. Reason पूछने के लिए. Okay, or for example, your teacher asks you, why were you absent yesterday? Why? Again, the word we are using why. Why is used to ask about any reason. Okay. Now the next word is when. When means kab, or when we use to ask about any time period. Okay. For example, I ask you, when will you go to the school? तुम स्कूल कब जाओगे? When? Okay. So when we use for the time period. And the last one is where. Where we use to ask about any place or the location of the place. For example, where is your home? तुम्हारा घर कहाँ पर है? कहाँ? Okay. Where is your school? Or you can ask, where are you going? So whenever we have to ask about any place, we use this word where. Clear, students? So these are the WH questions words. Who we use for any person like boy, girl, teacher, police officer, etc. What for anything or any action like apple, bike, baseball, etc. Where for any place like school, home, playground, etc. And when for the time period like January, Thursday, 5 p.m., morning, tomorrow, etc. Clear to you, students? Now, few more things which you have to keep in your mind. What, sometimes we use what for asking about the time also. Like if I ask, what is the time in your watch? Or what is the time in your clock? So in such cases, we make use of the word what. Okay. And the next one, when. About when, I already told you when we use when we ask about any time. Okay. Like, when will you go to the party? Okay. When means kab. I already told you this thing. Now we will learn two more words, that is whose and which. So students, whose we use for the persons, for the person, and whose we use for the possession or belongings related to that person. For example, whose pencil is this? ये pencil किसकी है? Whose. Now whose we are asking about the person here. ये किसकी pencil है? So when we are asking about the person, we make use of whose. And on the other hand side, which we use for the things. Okay. Whose हम person के लिए use करते हैं and which for the thing. Okay. Now whose, see then is another example. Whose book is this? Okay. You generally use this word in your classroom also. Okay, when you find any pencil or eraser, you used to ask like this, na? Whose pencil is this? Whose eraser is this? Whose book is this? So here, whose means kiski. Ye book kiski hai. Ye pencil kiski hai. Clear? Now, the next word is which. Which means when we are doing choice between alternatives. For example, as you can see, there is one man. He is asking, which way shall I go? This way or that way? So here again we are using the word which, but as I already told you that which we use for the things only, which we cannot use for any person. Okay. For example, if you have to choose any color, you speak like this, which color shall I choose? Yellow or pink or blue or red? Okay. So which we use for the things and when we have to do any choice. Okay, kids, now let's solve few exercise, then it would be more clear to you. Okay, see the first one. Dash is the party. Okay, now you have two options, when and why. So what is the correct answer? When is the party or why is the party? Yes, the correct answer is when. Because we are asking about the time, party kab hai. So the correct answer is when is the party? Next one, dash are you late? तुम late क्यों हो? Reason. Now here we are asking reason, and we very well know for reason we make use of which word? Yes, why. So here we will write, why are you late? Next, dash is your bag. Now you are asking about the place. Bag kahan par hai? Dash is your bag. So what will you write? When is your bag or where is your bag? Yes, where is your bag? Okay. So have a look at the answers. When is the party? Why are you late? And where is your bag? Now let's solve few more exercise. Look at the first sentence. Dash are you going? So now, are you going? Now here they are asking about the place. Okay, so what we will write here? Yes, where? Where are you going? Next, dash is your best friend. Now we are talking about the person. आपकी best friend कौन है? So what we will write here? Who? Who is your best friend? Next, dash time do you get up? So students, as I told you, for the time period we use when, but after that I told you one more thing. We use one more word when we are asking about the time. Which is that word? Yes, what. So here we will write what. What time do you get up? Next, dash is your birthday. आपका birthday कब है? Now we are asking about the time. So here we will write when. When is your birthday? Next, dash are you sad? Are you sad means आप sad क्यों हो? Now here we are asking the reason. And for the reason we use why. Okay, so here the answer is why are you sad? Next, dash do you live? Now again, we are here asking about the place. So what we will write here? Yes, where? Where do you live? Now the last one, dash is your favorite food. Now here we are asking about the thing. कौन सा food favorite है? So what we will write here? Which? Yes. So now have a look at the answers. So students, like this, you have to do practice at your home also. Solve a few more exercise, do practice in your notebook, then it would be more clear to you. Okay, students, thank you so much. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.